Hello all, welcome to the day 37 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. Raman often visits a dry fruit shop with his mother. During one such visit, he notices the following two situations. Day 1, the total cost of 2 kg of almonds and 1 kg of cashew is rupees 1600. Day 2, the total cost of 4 kg of almonds and 2 kg of cashews is rupees 3000. Let the cost of 1 kg of almonds be taken as X and the cost of 1 kg of cashews be taken as Y. Based on the information, answer the following questions. Question 1. Write the algebraic equation representing the situation on day 1. On the day 1, 2 kg of almonds and 1 kg of cashews cost rupees 1600. The cost of almonds is X and the cost of 1 kg of cashews is Y. That is 2 times X plus 1 times Y is equal to 1600. The option is B. Second question. Write the algebraic equation representing the situation on day 2. 4 kgs of almonds, 4x, plus 2 kgs of cashews, that is 2y, is equal to 3000. Dividing this equation by 2, we get 2x plus y is equal to 1500. The answer is option A. Question 3. The linear equation formed from day 1 intersects the x-axis at. To get that, let's take the first equation. Since the equation intersects the x-axis, the coordinates on the x-axis will be of the form x comma 0, that is y becomes 0. Putting y as 0, we get 2x plus 0 is 1600 and x is equal to 800. So the coordinates are 800 comma 0, option C. Question 4. The linear equation formed from day 2 intersects the y-axis at. Let's take the second equation. 2x plus y is equal to 1500. Since the line intersects at y-axis, any coordinate on the y-axis will be of the form 0 comma y. That is, x should be made as 0. 2 times 0 plus y is equal to 1500. That is, y is 1500. So the answer is option D. Question 5. The pair of linear equations representing day 1 and day 2 are non-parallel, parallel, intersecting at one point, overlapping each other. For that, we have to analyze both the equations. For day 1, the equation is 2x plus y is equal to 1600. And for day 2, the equation is 2x plus y is equal to 1500. Rewriting this in the general form, 2x plus y minus 1600 is equal to 0. 2x plus y minus 1500 is equal to 0. Here a1 upon a2 is equal to 2 upon 2, which is 1, and b1 upon b2, which is 1 upon 1, that is 1, and c1 upon c2 is equal to 1600 upon 1500. Here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is not equal to c1 by c2. This is a condition when two lines are parallel. So the answer is option B. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.